Hi everyone. By nature, the human being is a very curious creature. We begin to explore the world as soon as we're born, and keep exploring it while growing up, and after when we're already adults. And it's no wonder, for our world is huge, exciting and full of mystery. For example, do you know why mosquitoes keep biting some people and leave others untouched? Or how come there are people with different coloured eyes? No? Then this video is just for you. So, here are 5 curious answers to questions you are eager to ask. Let's get it on. Why is there a groove between the nose and the upper lip? This vertical groove in the area between the nose and the upper lip is actually called a philtrum. It turns out it has to do with the human embryonic development. When the fetus is growing inside its mother's womb, it has a crevice between the oral and the nasal cavities. Eventually it skins over, turning into the philtrum every child is born with. When this process fails to fuse fully, it may result in a hair lip. Why mosquitoes bite some people more than others? Have you noticed that some people are just magnets for mosquitoes? Turns out it's not because their blood is sweeter or tastes better. What really matters is the scent of the skin. Our body is covered with thousands of different bacteria. Their waste products give your skin a unique scent that attracts mosquitoes looking for food. The fact that they find some scent more attractive than other is pure luck. Or more accurately, bad luck. By the way, an interesting fact, while flies are sweet teeth, mosquitoes' favorite treat is an unwashed body. If you want to make them happy, you can skip the shower for a few days. Why some people have different colored eyes? There's a pretty small chance of seeing a person that has 2 different colored eyes. This abnormality, called heterochromia, is very rare. Only 1% of the population has it. Heterochromia can be complete or partial, innate or acquired. It's a result of relative excess or lack of melanin, the pigment responsible for the color of your eyes. Usually it doesn't imply any pathological changes in the eyeball functions, and it doesn't affect vision acuity. Still, if your eyes start changing colors, you should go and see a doctor. Why do our fingers wrinkle during a bath? Turns out it's only a defense reaction of our body. When our hands or feet are in the water for a long time, the top layer of our skin begins to absorb it. The skin gets soaked, and the so-called skin oils which cover our skin cells wash out. After the cells lose their protective layer, the intracellular fluid leaks out through the membrane. The thing is that cells can only give fluids but not absorb them. Therefore, they get dehydrated and shrink, and this is how you get wrinkles on your fingers. It's also worth noting that it has to do with oil glands. There are much more of them in the fingers and toes, so the skin there is more sensitive to external irritants. Why is the butt round? Well, firstly, it was determined in the evolution process. The main occupation of our ancestors was hunting, and in order to catch the prey, or at least to keep up, they had to run fast. And well-built buttocks are the right thing for such a task. Secondly, buttocks are located at the end of the digestive system. They must be fleshy to stop unpleasant smells from leaking. And another thing, well, they're just comfortable to sit on. And of course, a round butt has to do with sexual selection. Nice round butt cheeks attract the opposite sex, thus increasing your chances to procreate. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks, and we'll be right back to you as fast as we can.